Acumatica Construction Edition provides the best business management solution for digitally resilient companies. Built for mobile and telenetwork scenarios and easily integrated with the collaboration tools of your choice, Acumatica delivers flexibility, efficiency, and continuity of operations to growing small and mid-market businesses in the construction industry. Transform your organization with a modern construction platform designed for all contractors, including general, specialties, and land developers. Acumatica's Construction Edition helps you gain visibility into all construction financials, including multi-company, multi-currency, dashboards, and reports. Easily track real-time costs for labor, materials, subcontracts, and equipment. Manage daily job site activities, issues, changes, documents, and job costs from one central area. Capture time from the field and track labor rates for certified and union payroll. Drop ship inventory directly to the job site. Track inventory in warehouses and service vehicles, and empower users to update service schedules and track travel time. Give field teams access to equipment warranty information from anywhere. Acumatica provides a modern experience for every employee. Unlimited user licensing enables collaboration for the C-suite executives, job site, back office, and mobile employees. Role-based workspaces and powerful analytics accelerate decision-making for C-level executives anytime, from anywhere. Enable collaboration in the cloud between field and office locations for efficient job site management. Project managers and field service teams keep projects moving forward. Connect support roles like estimating, equipment management, and procurement with instant project updates from the field or anywhere they work. Give accounting and human resources the power to manage accounts, staffing, and compliance, and keep projects on time and within budget. Acumatica provides best-in-class cloud functionality for construction businesses in varied industry segments, such as general contractors, specialty contractors, home builders, land developers, field services, and all other construction industry segments. Streamline project planning, construction project progress, and deliver outstanding service. Pave the road to project success with comprehensive construction financials. Ensure each project stays on time and within budget with job cost accounting, certified payroll, and mobile field communications. React with agility to change orders, RFIs, and compliance needs. Elevate service levels with a self-service portal and robust CRM tracking. Maximize time in the field with appointment scheduling, resource tracking, and GPS route optimization. Acumatica Construction Edition has a full suite of financial and business intelligence features. Extend the system with native manufacturing, warehouse management, and field service modules that position you for growth opportunities. Know what's happening across your organization with role-based dashboards. Drive project success with live data and drill downs to detailed transactions such as commitments and change orders. Easily tailor construction reports to monitor production costs and resource utilization with native connections to proven applications. Transform your business with tangible benefits for employees, customers, subcontractors, and vendors. Boost productivity with powerful dashboards and real-time analytics. Reduce infrastructure costs with all-inclusive hosting, operating system, and administrative functions. Empower customers with an online customer portal that provides project status updates and lets them review invoices, request quotes, and download documents. Capture data faster with a robust and connected mobile app. Create tailored workflows to connect people, equipment, and systems. Optimize time in the field with streamlined collaboration tools that update back-office staff in real time. Discover why Acumatica is rated highest in usability and how construction leaders transform their businesses with automation on a mobile, adaptable, and extendable platform.
Phoenix Renovation is a general contractor for the insurance restoration industry. Before we had Acumatica, it may have taken me about an hour to put together just a simple profit and loss statement or an income statement.
We probably had 6 different softwares between pictures, CRM, insurance, budgeting, QuickBooks. It was a nightmare. It was hard to project cash flow, to do billing, because our project managers didn't do their own billing at that point.
By the time that paper got in and got recorded, the data was already 2-3 weeks old, and it was very paper-based and manual. It was a very disconnected historical reporting process. Nothing was real time.
Acumatica has made my life easier by having the visibility of accounts payable, accounts receivable, claims coming in, being able to build dashboards on whatever metric that I would like to see.
Everybody's on the same page. It creates an inherent culture of accountability. You can't fly under the radar. It's just the transparency and the visibility that everybody has for real-time data right now, no matter where you're at.
Ducatole is a South African company, and we operate mainly in the Eastern Cape.
Ducatole has a brick manufacturing company, a construction company that does RDP housing, and also does their own logistics.
Our customer satisfaction has increased tremendously because of Acumatica and the fact that we can control our deliveries from one source. Once the shipment has been confirmed, an SMS gets sent out to the client automatically. So the client is completely informed on when their delivery is going to happen.
Acumatica's customer portal allows for our customers to log into their own account to draw their PODs and their statements. This of course frees up a lot of time of our own administrative staff.
The dashboards are just absolutely amazing. I get asked a million questions a day, and having to physically go and search through everything to get the answers with Acumatica, I literally just click one button and everything is right there.
It scales with us. It is as though it is this organism that grows with the company. And with Acumatica, every single minute that we save by the ERP contributing to our efficiencies, those minutes can be spent to build houses for the needy.
Carlson Lamine is an 80-year-old construction firm. We specialize in healthcare construction, grocery construction, and financial construction. Acumatica helps deliver on that brand promise of being relationship-based but also super efficient to our customers. We've been able to actually adjust people's roles because so much of their role was previously spent inputting data, where we have eliminated that probably 95% of the inputs that they were doing, and now they're really getting to define a much more enjoyable job and being a part of different projects.
With Acumatica's payroll, it's all automated now. I push a few buttons and it gets done. I don't have to type out things. I don't have the risk of doing numbers wrong. Acumatica has improved how we do our work in process statements. I don't have to worry about the numbers anymore. It takes a week job and dumps it into 20 minutes, and it's more accurate.
With Acumatica, I'm really giving them a tool that helps them do their jobs correctly and more efficient. It's really like giving them a smartphone versus a rotary phone, and that just produces results and data much faster that we're able to give to our vendors and to our customers, which produces more business and helps us grow into the future.
Acumatica's complete, connected, and mobile cloud ERP suite helps those in the construction industry transform their business on a future-proof platform built for rapid integrations, scalability, and superior ease of use.